Hello everyone. Yesterday on Monday, as you can see on this screen, we turned in our lesson 1 packet, so you can do that whenever you get back in. We updated our green self-regulation checklist, which looks like, let me borrow Jeremy's, looks like this in our folder. So we updated that because we spent, almost 3 weeks on the first I can statement, which is I can find equivalent fractions, decimals, and percents, such as you being comfortable changing, like 1/3 into 0.33333 and changing that into 33 1/3%. Just being able to change digits between fractions, decimals, and percents. So we checked that off. And we started the second I can statement today, which was I can solve a percent problem using an equation and bar model or double number line. So that's what we started. And we picked up 2 papers, this one right here, this yellow packet, and this lesson 2 practice page. So we have these 2. All right. So to get started, I'll just go through this quickly with you. We did a think, pair, share about land conservation. What that means, a think, pair, share, is when you think about something for a couple minutes, you get with a partner and you pair up and you converse and share your ideas, and then as a class we share everybody's ideas. So we did that, and the question was, why do we need to conserve land? So everyone came up with all kinds of ideas. Here were just a few of them. They wanted to make sure there was open space for wild animals and farm and ranch land for raising human food. We need timber, so we don't want to get rid of all of our trees. Plants make oxygen. Somebody was talking about climate change, and somebody else talking about how we don't want animals to go extinct. So we came up with all these reasons why we want to conserve land. We then watched this video, and I can share the link with it in this email that goes out if you want to watch it. It's pretty powerful. It uses a lot of percents and fractions, and that's kind of why we looked at it. Also, it ties in with our theme for lesson 2. And then, I'm just going to present this. Then, we had this problem right here. It reads, our rainforests around the world are one of the most endangered parts of our planet. Researchers estimate that today, tropical rainforests cover about 2.4 million square miles. This is only 40% of their original area. So today, on our Earth, I have a globe right here, on our planet Earth, all right, we only have 2.4 million square miles of rainforest left. And that is, it sounds like a lot, but that's only 40%. That's less than half of what we started with. So the question then is, what was the original amount of rainforest area that we had? How many square miles did we start with before, we started cutting it down? So that is the question. We want to know what 100% is. At this point in class, we stopped, and I left this on the board, and everyone took like 10 minutes to figure it out. Some people were quick, and some people needed the 10 minutes, but everyone came up with the answer in a different way, which is really kind of interesting and fun. So that's what you're going to try to do. You know that you have 40%, which is 2.4 million square miles, and you need to figure out what 100% of that is. So I'm going to stop the video here. I have to go to lunch duty, but in the next one, we'll pick up, and I'll go over how to solve this. If you want to give it a go on your own, that'd be awesome. But, time is of the essence, so if you don't have time for that, just start on the next video. All right. Bye. Oh, wait. When you work out that problem, work it out on page 2. This blank one, it says space to work out rainforest problem. So space to work out rainforest problem is the time that you want, or is the place that you want to try to work out this problem. Okay, now I'm going to go to lunch duty. All right, bye-bye.